Every AI tool does one thing. ChatGPT writes the copy. Kling generates the clips.
Grab me. If you grab me, I'ma bite you.
And then you're stuck switching between 10 tabs, trying to stitch it all together. Well, Higgsfield Supercomputer closes the full loop. Market research, brand, content, ads, all from one chat. As usual, link in the description. Let's get into it. Alright, go to higgsfield.ai, and here on the starting page you can find an enormous amount of different instruments, which allows you to do almost everything. But in this video I'm gonna show you exactly supercomputer, so let's choose this one here. And this is the interface of supercomputer, which is very simple. And what separates it from every other agent out there? Club code reasons over text and obviously code, manage change tasks, open Claude, click through browser. None of them close the full creative loop. Supercomputer rows between GPT, Claude, and Gemini inside one chat, connected to every Higgsfield visual model, and ship the whole flywheel, product, brand book, content, ads, every single aspect from a single prompt. Today I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like, and we are finding the real market gap, building a brand around it, finishing with a product ad, and everything in one chat. So first step, find the gap, giving it a broad niche and letting the agent do its research. So I have this prompt right here: find a market gap in the home wellness niche, analyze top competitor reviews on Amazon, identify recurring complaints, and unmet needs. So let's execute this prompt, press generate button, and actually we have several LLMs here available. It might be GPT models, it might be Claude, depending on your specific tasks, but I would prefer Gemini Orchestrator because it allows you to save an enormous amount of credits. But if your tasks is really complicated, Claude Opus would be the best option for you. This is also a feature, confirm before running and auto-run without asking. This allows you to control every generation by yourself. But to my experience, I generated previously video with motion design, auto-run worked better for some reason. So you need to experiment with that. Alright, we've got all competitor analysis with idea for product name, one-line positioning, target audience, and so on. And it's not generating a random idea. It's very important. It's reading the real reviews patterns from real competitors. You could see it right here on Amazon. And then it finds what keeps coming up in the complaints and building positioning specifically against those gaps. Alright, let's build a brand name and pass it here this prompt. Build a brand book for this product. Include brand name, tagline, color palette, hex codes, and so on. And let's execute it. This step, of course, is crucial because based on these data, we're gonna generate a video and content plan and other content for your product. Alright, we've got our brand identity, brand name, tagline, color palette, typography direction, and brand personality. Well, I like it, but I'm not expert in branding positioning, but I think it looks great. Now, let's build a 4-week content plan for this brand. Basically, we're gonna create a content strategy. Let's press generate button. Alright, we've got a content plan for a month for our product, and this is very impressive. If I'm gonna do that by myself, I spend an enormous amount of time on research, on understanding how I should create all that post in order to maximize the viral potential, but this has been done automatically and I really like it. So now the final step, let's actually produce something. So let's use this prompt, create a UGC style product ad using UGC product flow. You could actually specify our skill right here. And of course, there are a lot of different skills available for you. So let's use UGC product flow and let's generate it. This part is very important because it's used to require a separate brief, a separate tool, a separate person. Here is just the next message in the same conversation. And as I mentioned earlier, we're still using the same context which we generated based on a research, and I really like it. And it's very useful and save a lot of time. Alright, we got a message here, approve image. Let's approve it and generate our image right here. Alright, another approve waiting, and let's generate a storyboard based on this image. It's important to mention we use it in a demo mode. Of course, we should have an image of our product, and in this case, we just add our image right here, and it's gonna generate a storyboard and video and all needed content based on our images. real images. In this scenario, let it be this device, which we just generated as a concept. Alright, we just got our storyboard right here. I like this concept. That looks nice to me. And as I mentioned, we generate this based on our product image right here. And here is the prompt for our video. So everything is okay to me. And let's try to generate it. Press generate button. Alright, after several minutes, we've got our video and let's have a look.
Morning grogginess is the worst, but if you twist this dial, NovaGlow slowly lifts you from quiet sleep with a warm sunrise. Wake up aligned. Wake up with NovaGlow. Morning grogginess.
To me, it looks very natural. It's not so AI generated. And we've done this in just several minutes based on our research data and images on our own product. That's very impressive. But it's important to mention that we actually could generate an enormous amount of videos at the same time. Well, basically it's a marketing machine, which allows you to automate every process of your work. And I really like it. So I think supercomputer is a really great instrument. And I would recommend you not to use in the same way as I do, because probably you have expertise in a specific area, for example in the marketing, or you probably know how to create viral videos. In this scenario, you could fill all needed gaps by this instrument, which allows you to close the whole loop of creating and promoting your product. And I really like it. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching and bye bye.